for this last plea, Judge.
Okay, I'm waiting for YouTube line. Just load up. Okay, we're live on YouTube now. Do I have a criminal defendant? How do you want to do this? Let me look here. He's got got the wrong paper in front of me. Okay.
Judge,
Yes.
are we gonna need to put the interpretation on the,
Yes, we are. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And as a matter of fact, let me do that right now as well.
Thank you, Alex.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for keeping me straight, Alex.
Yes.
And all the help I can get. All right, so I'm typing in Arlene's name. I'm hitting start. I'm hitting interpretation, English. So we got that. Now,
Madam Interpreter, can you say something?
pardon me?
Sí.
Okay, you got it? Okay. Now, he's pleading on two cases. He's pleading on 89, which I believe is a theft case, is it not?
Yes, Judge.
And he's pleading on 17, which is the unlawfully carrying case. The theft case is an A, and so is the unlawfully carrying. Is that right?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'm just going to bring up the 17 case, which is on my screen, which is the unlawfully carrying case, and we'll do that paperwork, and then we'll fill in the other paperwork. Okay, Mr. Feathers, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí.
Okay, put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay.
Okay.
Is your name, hold on. All right, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, sir?
Sí.
Is your name Milton Feathers?
Sí, así es.
Are you the same Milton Feathers who in this cause number 730817, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon?
Sí.
Are you also the same Milton Feathers who in cause number CC 718889, who in that cause number is charged with the offense of theft of property having a value between $500 and $1,500? Is that you in that case?
Sí.
Okay. Your two cases are both Class A misdemeanors. It's possible in both your cases that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible in each case anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your cases?
Sí.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference that you have filed in both cases. You have signed it in both cases, and so have your attorneys. When you filed these documents, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Sí.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. Again, you have filed this in both cases. You have signed this in both cases, and your attorneys have signed it in both cases.
Sí.
Did you go over these documents with both of your attorneys?
Sí.
Did your attorneys explain these documents to you?
Sí.
And do you understand them?
Sí, claro.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document.
Sí.
Are you a citizen of this country?
No soy residente legal.
You understand that a finding of guilty or a plea of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country.
Sí.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. it is possible that you could be deported. You understand those three possibilities?
Sí.
Mr. Otero, did you talk to your client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
Yes, Judge, I have.
Mr. Valdez, did you talk to your client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
I did, Your Honor, and he does.
I'm now looking at on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Again, you have filed this in both cases. You have signed it in both cases, and so have your attorneys. When you signed these documents, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorneys make plea bargain agreements for me with the prosecutor, if you follow those plea bargain agreements, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, in cause number 730-717, and that cause number where you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon, how do you plead in that case, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
And then in cause number CC 718889, where you're charged with theft as a Class A misdemeanor, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Okay, hold on.
So on the refs, it's you sit there, all the refs. That's all I
And you understand that on pleas and no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Sí.
Has anybody, has anybody forced you to enter these pleas in these two cases?
No.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you in these cases, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to enter these pleas?
No.
Are you entering your pleas in both these cases of your own free will?
Sí, claro.
Okay, so then in cause number 730-817, to the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon, is there a plea bargain in that case? And then is there also a plea bargain in the theft case? Is it,
Yes,
if it's
Your
the
Honor.
same, we'll just recite it once.
It's the same play for both, Your Honor.
Okay.
The state recommends a $0 fine, court cost 290 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied.
Oh, there's some cases that would be in TIC?
Yes, and the state is also going to take into consideration cause numbers CC 712865, CC 713506, and CC 713508.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Otero?
It is, Judge.
And is that your understanding of the plea bargain in your theft case, Mr. Valdez?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay. Then Mr. Perez, we're going to do these one at a time. In cause number 730-817, where you're charged with the case, the unlawful carrying case. In that case, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 290 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number CC 712805, CC 713506, and cause number CC 713508. That means those cases would be dismissed and returned for you, please, in these cases. Does your client have an immigration hold on him, Mr. Otero? Do you know?
I don't know, Judge, but I don't think so.
Okay. If these are the only cases holding you, you should be released, sir. If, however, you have an immigration hold, you could be held. I don't know. You understand that?
Your Honor, may I
Sí.
offer some information?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
He is on felony probation. So upon his release, he needs to contact his felony probation officer.
Okay. Arlene, did you translate that? I hope.
Sí.
You did? Okay, thank you.
May I ask
Okay.
if he has that information, Your Honor?
Do you have that information to contact your felony probation?
Me dieron unos papeles, yo me imagino que ahí está.
Sí, en esos papeles están, entonces.
No, gracias.
Si no, yo le puedo ofrecer más información.
Okay. Now, I've done one case. I got to go back and do the other. So just give me 1 minute.
Está bien.
We had 50 and now something down. I don't. I think they're on the floor somewhere. Like in the sergeant's office. It's like that.
Okay, and cause number 718889, where you're charged with the theft as a Class A misdemeanor. In that case, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain in that case as well. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 200
Which is that?
290 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give your credit for time served, time and money run current, judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause numbers CC 712805. Cause number CC 713506. Cause number CC 713508. That means those cases should be dismissed and returned for your pleas in these cases. Let me make sure. Okay, I have signed both attorneys' vouchers, so the attorney should get paid on this and nothing else. And I'll ask the state to please tender those dismissals to me so that Mr. Perez does not get hung up in jail on those dismissals. Okay. Good luck to you, Mr. Perez. We're taking care of your cases. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
You can be
Gracias.
excused. And Mr. Otero and Mr. Valdez, you can be excused. Thank you all.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good Thanksgiving.
I'm
Thank you.
working on the dismissals right now, Your Honor.
Okay.
We'll see you next week.
We're going to see who. You're not going to see me next week. I shouldn't be here.
No, but I'm gonna see the wonderful jail court next week.
Yes, you will. All right. Take care.
Judge.
Okay. Yes, you can be excused, Arlene. I'm sorry. I get so caught up in doing paperwork. I guess I need to excuse the fabulous court reporter and the fabulous probation officers. You guys have a great weekend. I may not see you in a couple
Don't forget to turn off YouTube.
or a couple of weeks or so, but if I've told the people that I'm available in case something happens. If I need to cover for anybody, I'm available to do that. But hopefully you won't see my ugly face again for a while. Okay.
Ay, turn off
See you
YouTube,
later.
Canales.
Bye.
Don't forget to turn off YouTube, Judge. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Have a happy Thanksgiving to you guys.
Happy Thanksgiving, Judge.
Yeah. Tamales. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm looking at a motion to dismiss here on one of the cases that Ms. Hernandez sent me.
Wait,
It
Judge, you're
sounds
still
like-
on YouTube.